Hello friends, welcome to AP channel. Watch this video till the end. I daily upload a new video, so do subscribe to my AP channel for latest updates. Let's start the video. Question number first, which one of the following statement is true? Option number A, clay are more porous than sand. Option number B, pressure of organic matter in a soil decrease the bearing capacity of soil. Option number C, aluminum cement is used for foundation in soil with chemical deposit. Option number D, all the above. Correct answer is option number D, all the above. Question number 2. If the degree of saturation of a partially saturated soil is 60%, then air content of soil is option number A 40%, option number B 60%, option number C 80%, option number D 100%. Your correct answer is option number A 40%. Question number 3. If the coefficient of active earth pressure for a loose sand having an angle of internal friction of 30 degree is option number A 1 by 3, option number B 3, option number C 1, option number D 1 by 2. Your correct answer is option number A 1 by 3. Question number 4. Transporting and redepositing soil is done by option number A water, option number B glacier, option number C gravity, option number D all the above. Your correct answer is option number D all the above. Question number 5. Pick up the correct statement for the following. Option number A. When water table is above the base of footing, the dry wet yam should be used for soil below water table. Option number B. When water table is located somewhat below the base of footing, the elastic wedge is partially of moist soil and submerged soil and a suitable reduction factor is used. Option number C. When water table is just at the base of footing, no reduction factor is used. Option number D. None of these. Correct answer is option number B. Question number 6. The wide ratio of soil sample decreased from 1.5 to 1.25 when the pressure is increased from 25 ton per meter square to 50 ton per meter square. The coefficient of compressibility is option number A 0.01, option number B 0.02, option number C 0.05, option number D 0.001. Your correct answer is option number A 0.01. Question number 7. Due to rise in temperature, the viscosity and unit weight of percolating fluid are reduced to 70% and 90% respectively. Other things being constant, the change in coefficient of permeability will be A 25%, B 28.6%, C 33.3%, D 53.3%. Your correct answer is option number B, 28.6%. Question number 8. If the plasticity index of soil mass is 0, the soil is A. Sand, B. Silt, C. Clay, D. Clayey silt. Correct answer option A. Sand. Question number 9. For a loose sand sample and a dense sand sample consolidated to the same effective stress, option A. Ultimate strength is same and also peak strength is same. Option B. Ultimate strength is different but peak strength is same. Option C. Ultimate strength is same but peak strength of dense sand is greater than that of loose sand. Option D. Ultimate strength is same but peak. Answer option number C. Question number 10. Coulomb's wedge theory assumes that option A. Backfill is dry, cohesionless, homogeneous and isotropic. Option number B. Slip surface is the plane which passes through the heel of the wall. Option number C. Position and direction of the resultant earth pressure are known. Option D. All the above. Correct answer is option D. All the above. Question number 11. If the cohesive force C is 1.5 T per meter square, the density gamma of the soil is 2 T per meter cube. Factor of safety F is 1.5, stability factor SN is 0.05. The safe height of slope is A. 5 meter, B. 8 meter, C. 10 meter. Option number D. 12 meter. Your correct answer is option number C. 10 meters. Question number 12. Wide ratio of soil mass can option A. Never be greater than unity. Option number B. Be 0. Option number C. Take any value greater than 0. Option number D. Take values between 0 and 1 only. Correct answer is option number C. Take any value greater than 0. Question number 13. Pick up the correct statement from the following. Option number A. The property of soil that enables it to become steep in a relatively short time on standing is called thixotropy. Option number B. The ratio of shear strength is natural state. The remolded shear strength under undrained condition is called the degree of sensitivity. Option number D. The difference between the undistributed shear strength and remolded shear strength is known. Remolded loss. Option number D. All the above. Correct answer is option number D. All the above. Question number 14. Allowable bearing pressure for a foundation depends upon option number A. Allowable settlement only. Option B. Ultimate bearing capacity soil only. Option C. Both allowable settlement and ultimate bearing capacity. Option number D. None of the above. Option number C. Both allowable settlement and ultimate bearing capacity. Question number 15. For a clay slope of height 10 meter, the stability number is 0.05 equal to 2t per meter cube, c equal to 2.5 t per meter square. The critical height of the slope of the soil is option A 4 meter, option B 12.5 meter, option C 25 meter, option D 15 meter. Your correct answer is option number C 25 meter. Question number 16. In the triaxial compression test, the application of additional axial stress divertor stress on the soil specimen produces shear stress on option A horizontal plane only, option B vertical plane only, option C both horizontal and vertical planes, option D all planes except horizontal and vertical planes. Your correct answer is option D. All planes except horizontal and vertical planes. Question number 17. The critical exist gradient of seepage water in soil is option A directly proportional to the Wide's ratio, option B inversely proportional to the specific gravity, option C directly proportional to the specific gravity, option D none of these. Correct answer is option D none of these. Question number 18. Time factor for a clay layer is option A a dimensional parameter, option B directly proportional to permeability of soil, option C inversely proportional to drainage path, option D independent of thickness of clay layer. Correct answer is B directly proportional to permeability of soil. Question number 19. Pick up in the incorrect statement from the following the soils which contain montmorillonite minerals. Option A swell more than wet, B shrink more than dry, C possess high plasticity, D possess high coefficient of internal coefficient. Correct answer is possess high coefficient of internal coefficient. So guys, I have asked you previous question answer, the answer of one question in previous video, and the question is the maximum net pressure intensity causing shear failure of soil is known. Option A safe bearing capacity, option B net safe bearing capacity, option C net ultimate bearing capacity, option D ultimate bearing capacity. Your correct answer is option C net ultimate bearing capacity. Question for you and one more question for in this video you have to answer in the comment section, and the question is the fluid generally used for grouting is option A cement and water mix, B clay suspension, C sodium silicate, D all the above. Drop your answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.